In this video, I'm talking about 5 books that you must read. So let's check it out one by one. The first book is Namesake by the Pulitzer Prize winning Indian American author Jhumpa lahiri. It is about an ordinary Indian family living in abroad and mainly focused on their son named Gogol Ganguly. Everybody makes fun of Gogol with his name, but eventually he learned to accept his name. This book has got that Indian connect and it explores many emotional and cultural themes. A film adaptation of this novel was released in 2006, and as you can see, I have the film covering of this book. So if you are an Indian living in abroad, you will be able to connect back to your roots and relate a lot. Jhumpa lahiri's writing style is also so good. This book is a must read for beginners, obviously. The next book is Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind by Yuval Noah Harari. It is one of the most mind-blowing books I have ever read. This book has changed the way I see things and is definitely a masterpiece. It covers the entire human evolution and also gives an amusing, ironic view about certain myths that we believe in this contemporary world. When you start reading the book, you don't want to put it down, and when you finish it, the book stays with you. I would suggest this book to everyone who is eager to know history, like where were we, why did we become significant, what are we now, and this book answers everything. So it's a must-read book. The next book is also my favorite. It is Thousand Splendid Suns by Khaled Hosseini. This book revolves around the lives of two women, Mariam and Laila, who lives in Afghanistan during the Taliban rule. The author explores through their lives, sacrifices, pains, and the unique bond that develops between them during this time. It's absolutely beautiful and the characters stay with you forever. This book has really got my heart. Coming to the next book, 40 Rules of Love. It is a novel written by Turkish author Elif Shafak. This book has an essence of love and also explores the spiritual journey. Two stories moving in parallel switch the readers into like present and past in just one sitting. Shams, Rumi, Ella are some main characters. The author takes you to Sufi mysticism and into an exotic world where faith and love are heartbreakingly explored. The way 12th century story of Rumi and Shams is embedded within the 21st century story of Ella is just wonderful. There are 40 rules of love mentioned in this book, and I'm not going to give any spoiler. Just check it out. The last book is Ikigai, Japanese Secret to Long and Happy Life. Ikigai is simply the reason that we should have to get out of the bed every morning, like something that makes you happy. You can say it as the purpose of your life. This book is one of the best self-help books, and it teaches us how a simple life can be a happy life. You will feel relaxed and motivated at the end of this book. This book will give you the life-changing tools to uncover your personal Ikigai. So these are my 5 book recommendations. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any suggestions or if you want any detailed review of any book, please mention in the comment section. Thank you for watching.